Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.